Good evening, viewers. This is Okie Diecast coming to you from on location, a remote location of my clothes closet. Thought it'd be a nice video to show you my little closet shelf. This is where cars end up when I take them out of the package, usually for the first time, if I want to enjoy them for a little while before I put them into their bins, storage or whatnot. And we were going to call this segment "What's on Your Shelf?" or "What's on the Shelf?" And then we'll show you what's on our shelf. This is just kind of a little hodgepodge of cars that we've just put up here. This is a front-running Ford Fairmont, a nice track vehicle, metal base, metal body, HO style wheels, some fancy axles that have a little spring in them. Here's the Ford GT. This was a mystery model, number 3. So that was bronze on the podium. A Honda Civic Type R mystery model out of the Pillow Pack Type 3. Here's a Ford Falcon, I think. Ford Falcon race car. That was number 2 in the Pillow Pack. And here we have the Jaguar E-Trophy I-Pace, or I-Trophy E-Pace, that was a mainline that's a J case right now. Just on the pegs. There's not a Hot Wheel, that's Han Solo and Princess Leia. Greenwood Corvette with the Dragon Deco. This is an art car. Pretty cool art car. Zoom, baby! There we go. Cool art car. The Honda NSX, white with the red interior. That's a Tomica Premium. There's a Porsche 718 Cayman from a premium set here recently. It's got the 5 spokes, metal base, Cayman GT4, Porsche Cayman GT4. How you like that with the white with the black wheels, Easton? You like it?
Looks pretty good.
Looks pretty good. Here's our first custom that we ever did, wheel swap. It has the wheels from the Dodge Challenger, the black Fast and Furious Dodge Challenger with the engine in the back. We thought the golden wheels would look cool on a car that had golden accents on it. Looks pretty cool, huh? We did a pretty good job on that one, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Up here we have a Johnny Lightning Trans Am. This weird MR2 from Matchbox. Weird because look at the wheels on it. Weird because the body casting extends into the base to the wheel wells. Weird because it says made in Macau. Where is Macau at? Ooh, there went the Trans Am. Stuff is falling off the shelf. First gen MR2. We've got the 2 Nissan 300ZXs from Matchbox. This 300ZX that came out of a Revealers pack, one of those water soluble packs from the late 80s, early 90s. You put them in under the water and it dissolved the wrapping to reveal what car you got. Definitely from the 80s with the neon wheels. Metal base. Pretty cool. Here's the Grand Cross. Nice track car. Nice wide stance. Stable. Big wheels. Can be fast for a track car. The 71 Maverick Grabber. This thing is really beat up. It's missing a lot of paint. The chrome has been rubbed off the bottom. There's no more wheel tampos left. This is the car that we attribute as our first Hot Wheel. When my son was young and we started collecting again, that was the first one that we ever bought. So that's kind of a love-hate relationship with that car. You know what that means? Mm-hmm. It means we love it, but that's what got us into this big Hot Wheel hobby. And then this Dodge M80 with the faster than ever rims. I think we raced this at a track. One of the kids did. And it made its way onto the shelf, and it's been that way ever since. Oh, we missed a column, I think. Yep. So get that one, Easton. That's a Ford GT. Here, show it to the camera. Ford GT and a multi-pack orange with, is that orange PR5s? Mm-hmm. Kind of reminds me of a pumpkin. Okay, what's the next one we got? Hot Wheels ID kit car from the show Knight Rider. Okay. Spectre Flame something kind of paint on there. Here we have another Porsche 911 GT3. Maybe. We do have Porsches. What's that say? Porsche 911 GT3 RS. We don't collect Porsches, all of them, but we have a small Porsche collection. We don't pick up all of them. This was a Auto World exclusive off the web store, online only. Hood opens up. Pretty cool. Roof rack. Nice detail all the way around. What's the license plate say? Can you zoom in on that? Zoom in really close. See if the camera will zoom. Boy, that thing is so small. It looks like a New York plate from here. I got two of those thinking I might get a White Lightning, and turns out they didn't make White Lightnings for that release. And the Bugatti. The Bugatti something or another. This is a mini GT car. They don't put the name of the car on the bottom. Mini GT doesn't, but lots of details that you wouldn't normally see on a Hot Wheel. We'll try to keep this video under 10 minutes for a nice quick view if you are so inclined. All right. So that is our closet shelf. The cars on this shelf get rotated in and out as we get new cars, or maybe we just get tired of looking at the ones that are there and we put new ones up. But if we get more cars, different cars up there, we'll do another one of these what's on the shelf videos. And if you have a shelf similar to this, make some comments. Let me know what's on your shelf, or get your own YouTube channel, make a video. We're very hospitable here. We invite any kind of comment in our video comments. Introduce yourself. Tell us about your YouTube channel. Be critical if you want to of our videos, or congratulatory, encouraging. If you have a nasty comment, that'd be okay too. We can tolerate any kind of comments you guys have. We just want to hear from you. And our subscriber count is slowly growing. Our viewership numbers are slowly growing. But if you want to share this video, if you want to like it, or a thumbs up, or whatever all those other things are. Oh, subscribe, click, all those internet buzzwords that I don't know anything about what they do. Go ahead and do that, and we'll catch you on the flip side.